Hello everyone, my name is Visa Hajpal Singhvirk and today I'm here to present a presentation on menu labeling and transparency. Menu labeling. Menu labeling provides nutritional information about food items on a menu. This information typically includes details such as calorie count, fat content, and allergen information, etc. Menu transparency. Menu transparency refers to clear and detailed information about the nutritional content and sourcing of food items on a menu. This aims to empower consumers with the knowledge they need to make informed choices that align with their preferences, dietary needs, and values. Importance of menu labeling and transparency in food and nutrition management. Informed consumer choices. Menu labeling allows consumers to make informed decisions about their food choices, helping them select options that align with their dietary preferences, health goals, and nutritional needs. Allergen awareness. Clear labeling helps individuals with food allergies or intolerances identify and avoid ingredients that may cause adverse reactions, reducing the risk of allergic incidents. Health promotions. Transparency in menu labeling contributes to public health initiatives by promoting healthier eating habits. It can help address concerns such as obesity, diabetes, and other diet-related health issues. Accountability and trust. Transparent menu labeling fosters trust between consumers and food establishments. It demonstrates a commitment to openness and accountability in providing accurate information about the nutritional content of menu items. Menu labeling can encourage standardization of nutritional information presentation across the food industry, making it easier for consumers to compare options between different establishments. Corporate social responsibility, also called CSR, implementing transparent menu labeling aligns with CSR principles for businesses in the food industry. It reflects a commitment to the well-being of consumers and the community. Government sectors, legislations and regulations. Canadian Food Inspection Agency (CFIA). It is a federal agency responsible for safeguarding the integrity of Canada's food, plant, and animal resources. It operates under Agricultural and Agri-Food Canada and has a broad mandate to ensure the safety and quality of the food supply, protect animal health, and prevent risks to plant health. Enforcing these regulations, the CFIA enforces a range of regulations aimed at maintaining the safety and integrity of the Canadian food system. Its activities include inspections, monitoring, and implementation of measures to prevent and control risks related to food safety, animal health, and plant protection. Food and drug regulations. The CFIA administers and enforces the food and drug regulations, which are federal regulations governing food safety and labeling in Canada. These regulations set standards for various aspects of food labeling, including nutrition information, ingredient lists, allergen declarations, and health claims. Nutrition Facts Table. The CFIA mandates that most prepackaged foods in Canada must include a nutrition facts table on their packaging. The nutrition fact table provides detailed information about nutritional content of the food product, including serving size, calories, nutrients, and percentage of daily value. Labeling. The CFI regulates the labeling of common allergens in food products to ensure that consumers are informed about the presence of allergic substances. Allergen information is crucial for individuals with allergies or intolerances, helping them make safe and informed food choices. Country of origin labeling, also called COOL. The CFIA may be involved in regulations related to the country of origin labeling for certain food products. COOL indicates the country where a food product was produced or manufactured. It helps consumers make informed choices and supports transparency in the food supply chain. Concept of menu labeling. Okay, responsibilities. Like by who? The responsibility for menu labeling is shared between the restaurant management and regulatory bodies overseeing compliances. Restaurant management, it is a responsibility of the restaurant management to ensure that accurate and up-to-date nutritional information is provided for each menu item. And regulatory bodies such as health departments or food safety authorities are responsible for creating and enforcing guidelines to ensure that restaurants comply with menu labeling requirements. Mhm. Empowering consumers. Menu labeling is significant for food and nutrition management as it empowers consumers to make informed and healthier choices. By having access to detailed nutritional information, individuals can tailor their food choices to meet specific dietary goals or restrictions. Contributing to public health. The practice of menu labeling contributes to broader public health initiatives by promoting awareness of the nutritional content of food. This, in turn, aids in preventing diet-related health issues and promoting overall well-being. Menu labeling. Like when nutrition information should be provided on menus at all times, ensuring that consumers have access to this information when making their food choices. Where the information should be prominently displayed on physical menus, menu boards, and where applicable, on the restaurant's website or through mobile app. How? Restaurants should ensure that the provided information is clear, easily understandable, and includes key nutritional details such as calorie counts, fat content, and allergen information. Regular updates. It is crucial for restaurants to regularly update the nutritional information to reflect any changes in recipes or seasonal variations in menu items. Transparency in sourcing. Transparency in sourcing entails providing detailed information about the origin and sourcing practices of food ingredients. This information helps consumers understand where their food comes from and the practices involved in its production. Food producers. The responsibility of transparently communicating sourcing information starts with food producers. They are accountable for providing accurate and comprehensive details about the origin of ingredients. The second is suppliers. Suppliers in the food supply chain play a crucial role in ensuring that accurate sourcing information is passed along from the producers to the end users. Third one is restaurants. Restaurants also share the responsibility of transparency in sourcing. They are responsible for communicating this information to consumers. Transparency in food industry. Building consumer trust. Transparency in sourcing is significant because it builds trust between consumers and the food industry. Knowing the origins of food ingredients fosters confidence in the quality and ethical practices of the supply chain. Supporting ethical practices. By disclosing sourcing information, the food industry can demonstrate commitment to ethical and sustainable sourcing practices, contributing to positive social and environmental impacts. Ensuring quality. Transparency in sourcing is vital for ensuring the quality of food products. Consumers often associate transparent sourcing with higher quality and authenticity. Procedure of transparency. First is when. Sourcing information should be available whenever a consumer seeks it. This information can be consistently provided across various touchpoints, including when a customer visits a restaurant or explores its websites. Second is where. Restaurants can disclose sourcing information in multiple places, such as on physical menus, websites, or through other communication channels like social media or promotional materials. That is how. The information should be presented in a clear and accessible manner, using simple language to describe the origin of key ingredient, farming practices, or any relevant certifications. Summary. In summary, the importance of menu labeling and transparency in food and nutrition management goes beyond personal choices. It extends to the broader societal goal of fostering healthier lifestyles. Legal frameworks and government oversight ensure that these practices are not just voluntary but integral components of a responsible and accountable food industry. Key questions to test the knowledge. Why is menu labeling important for food and nutrition management? Who bears the responsibility for ensuring menu labeling compliance in a restaurant? How does transparency in sourcing contribute to building consumer trust? If anyone has seen the presentation with keen interest, they can answer in comments.